So ma'am, like how do we identify that the reading which has been given is accurate or not?
Best thing is to mull over the reading. Understand if you have had a tarot reading, just think over it for at least a week so that you are able to
Okay.
understand what guidances or what messages tarot has given. Sometimes
Okay.
during the process, you are not able to comprehend. It may seem very disconnected. It may seem like, what this person is saying, I can't connect with it. But when you mull over it, when you consider it, when you think about it over and over, you understand what actually it means.
Okay. So ma'am, like the readings which are given by tarot or the guidances, are they just a guidance or are they, like fixed lines in future that this particular thing is going to happen? Like no one
See,
can avoid it.
there is nothing set in future. Future is what we make for ourselves. It is only indicative. So that is what prediction is all about. Yes, of
Okay.
course, we have the power to change within that framework. We have
Okay.
that free will to change. Suppose you come to me for a reading and I mean I give you an answer that you don't like and I give you a result that you're not happy with. So
Hmm.
there will be lots of guidances through the reading. If you follow those guidances, you will be able to understand what you can change in the current situation so that that particular result we are talking about may or
Hmm.
may not happen. So everything,
Okay.
the prediction part, right? So what is
Hmm.
happening right now, what you're doing right now is going to tell you what you're going to do in future. If you are going to change your present, of course, there will be changes in your future.
Right. So that means the tarot card is actually extrapolating my present situations into future. So if I'm not happy
Yes.
with the future results that the guidance is showing me, then I just have to change my present to get a
Yes, and
different
tarot,
future.
see, tarot is not a fortune telling tool, it is a guidance tool. Tarot
Hmm.
will tell you that this present situation can land you into this something in future, and you can
Hmm.
change these attitudes of yours so that if you're not liking the future, you can change it a bit. Of course, there's certain things that are set in stone, but I,
Hmm.
as a tarot reader, I, as a human being, cannot say everything that is set in stone because I am not God. I can
Hmm.
only give you the indications that the cards are giving me.
Right.
But guidances work definitely.
Hmm.